Assalamu alaikum, welcome everyone to Mazhar's official YouTube channel. Watch the important video about strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats.
I'm Rani and I belong to a middle class family. I have always been the victim of circumstances. When I was young, I could not pursue education because my family could not afford it. As I grew up, I had to do a job that I did not like, but I was left with no options. After so many years of struggle, now I lost hope in myself. I don't know what my abilities are. I feel insecure and threatened. What should I do?
Welcome to this module on SWOT. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. It is an important exercise for you as an individual to be able to evaluate your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The objective is to help participants access these in the context of their current situations and help them formulate strategies to effectively build upon their strengths, overcome their weaknesses, exploit opportunities, and be aware of threats. By the time you complete this module, you should be able to recognize the importance of evaluating your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Recognize the importance of formulating strategies to effectively build on your strengths. SWOT is short for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Strength is the property of being physically or mentally strong. Weakness is a possible flaw or lack of strength. Opportunity is a chance or possibility due to favorable circumstances. Threat is a possibility that could adversely affect strength or opportunity. The term SWOT stands for the words strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. This is a technique used to help decision making. For example, consider a person who needs to make a choice between joining the Indian Army or joining the family textile business. To help this decision, it would be good to perform a SWOT analysis, that is, to analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of each path relative to one another from the person's viewpoint. We now provide some examples of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Strengths. My engineering background will be useful in the Indian Army. My ability at mathematics will be useful both in the Indian Army and my family business. Weaknesses. My short temper, which could affect the family business. Lack of discipline, which could affect my career in the Army. Opportunities. Chance to earn advanced degrees while in the Army and use new technologies. Opportunity to curb my short temper and get disciplined in the Army. Threats. My family could be upset if I join the Army. I may not like the Army discipline. This illustrates the meaning of the terms of SWOT. The main objective of the activity is to make you realize your strengths and use them through self-reflection and discussion with others. An old woman who loved her little grandson very much. Each day she used to see her grandson off to school. One day, as she was watching, a speeding car got out of control and hit her grandson. The boy was knocked over and his leg was caught under the front wheel. A crowd gathered. They tried to lift the car and set the boy's leg free, but couldn't. His grandmother could not bear to see her grandchild stuck under the wheel. So she stepped forward and with all her might lifted the front of the car, setting her grandson free. The crowd cheered, but the old woman began crying. She and her grandson went home. When her grandson asked her why she had started crying, she replied, "All these 70 years I have never known my capacity. If I had discovered my strength when I was young, I would have used all my efforts to realize my dreams. I wouldn't have given up on my dreams."
You've heard the story of the old woman and her grandson. Spend a few minutes thinking about the story. Think specifically about the following questions. Why do you think the old woman was crying? What did you learn from the story? Why is it important to know what your strengths and weaknesses are? How can you use your strengths and weaknesses to help achieve your goals? List down your strengths and weaknesses.
Now, you have heard the story of the old woman and her grandson. You have had time to reflect on the story. Now, turn to your partner and discuss the story. Both of you discuss the impact the story had on each of you. Discuss along these terms. Why should you discover your strength? Why is it important to know what your weaknesses are? List 5 strengths. List 5 weaknesses. How can you convert a weakness into a strength? You have had the time to reflect on the story. You have also had the time to discuss with each other the highlights in the story. What did you conclude from the story? What did you learn from it? Did it teach you the importance of realizing your strengths early in life? Were you able to sense that you first need to know where your strengths lie in order to achieve goals?
What did the story teach you? When you are in a difficult situation, you are forced to try everything possible to avoid adversity. Identify strength at the right time to realize your dream. Some people need some kind of stimulus for them to wake up and realize their strengths.
This is a possible SWOT analysis from the old lady's perspective. Read this carefully. Think about it and perform your version of SWOT for the old lady. What did you learn from the story? It is important for you to know where your strengths lie. This may happen when an opportunity presents itself, but it is always better to be self-aware. Having a strength and not realizing it amounts to wasting a God-given gift. In the same context, you need to be aware of your weaknesses. Knowing your weaknesses will keep you on your toes. Some of your weaknesses can be turned into strengths. This can happen through determination. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses makes your goal achievable. You would have thought of your goals while considering your strengths. So, the task of goal setting becomes easier when you choose goals based on your strengths. Please fill the SWOT sheet and file it as a part of your portfolio.